One bucket list item I've had since I started trucking in 1995 was to have a big horsepower motor. In 2020, I purchased a Caterpillar C18 motor, and I had Caterpillar break it down and balance it, built it back. It's putting about 1,276 horsepower on the dyno. And about 450 foot-pounds of torque. I kind of know personally about it because I broke 2 transmissions with it before I kind of learned how to re-drive, so to speak. My name's Mike Korte. I'm based out of Iola, Kansas. We terminal out of Wichita, Kansas. I own a company called K2 LLC. We haul mostly corn, feed, fertilizer products from Nebraska, Colorado, Oklahoma, more regional than long distance. This is my 2015 Peterbilt 389. It was a factory stock truck when I bought it. Of course, since then, I've made a lot of changes to it. So the key activates the system. Has a fast fuel pump. I turn the fuel pump on and then just push button start. It has the button tuck. I put some button tuck interior pieces in it. And all watermelon lights.
Got the nice cat stickers up here.
Yep, got the nice cat stickers. Not wipe approved. But she never comes in here, so I can put anything in here, see? The general public views trucking in general as somebody that's in their way to get to work, more so than the end result of that truck, whether it is, you know, bringing their favorite soda pop or their favorite steak. I think more so, people are so busy these days, I think they view trucks in general as somebody that's in their way. And I need to get to work. You can't get up to speed fast enough. I wish this was not a problem, but it is. And I don't think that the general public in whole sees that.